What is up, you guys? I thought I'd make this little video of my sister unboxing her new AirPods Maxes. I advised her not to get these because I knew there were better options for hella cheaper, but she really likes the design and how it's all connected to her iPhone, so whatever, it was her money. So I asked her if I could record her unboxing it. So she just got these in today. She wanted the silvers, so she got the silver. I gotta admit, it's pretty clean. I tried them on for a little bit. They were a bit too small, but it's perfect for her small head. So here's like the quick start guide and stuff like that. I don't think it came with Apple stickers, which is weird, you know? Like, come on, Apple, are you getting cheap on us now? What the hell? And here's the lightning cable to USB-C to charge it. Like all new iPhones now, doesn't come with an adapter, so you just plug this into your your laptop or whatever. USB-C adapter, AC adapter to charge it, stuff like that. But it came already like 85% charged, so she's good to go. She's gonna use this at the gym. She bought like covers for it and stuff. As you can see, the insides as well. The noise canceling works amazing on these, I have to admit. The bass is there for it. It's not the best of the best sounding, but they sound pretty good. Here she's showing off the buttons on the sides, and there's a button behind the dial that activates noise canceling and stuff like that. Anyways, just a quick little unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.